In this video, we are going to see the multi-channel and multi-model based auto-encoding prayer for grayscale image restoration. Image restoration is the process of recovering an image from a degraded version, usually a blurred or noisy images. It is a fundamental problem in the image processing, and it also provides a tested for more general inverse problems. The main objective of this process is to convert the black and white images as colored images, then to implement the auto encoding technique, then finally the result will be the colorized image. In our process, we have to take the input images as black and white images. The data set was collected from the dataset repository like UCI and so on. Then we have to apply the pre-processing step. In this step, we have to use image resize and image normalization. Image resize is the rescaling multiplies the height and width of the image by a scaling factor. The image normalization is a process that change the range of pixel intensity value. Then we have to implement the auto encoder technique. The auto encoder reduces the dimensionality of the input data. Then it encode and decode the image. The encode means it transforms the input data into lower dimensional representation. The decode means recover the input image from lower dimensional representation. Finally, we have to use caffe method for converting the black and white images as colorized images. The caffe means convolutional architecture for fast feature extraction. Finally, the result will be the colorized image, and also we have to use the impede function for removing the scratches from the input images. Now we are going to see the flow of our process. First, we have to take the dataset that contains the black and white images. First, we have to take one input image. Then we have to apply the pre-processing step. In this step, we have to use image resize and image normalization. The pre-processing means it is remove of unwanted noise from our input image. Then in this step, resize means is the scaling multiplies the height and width of the image by a scaling factor. Then normalization means that change the range of pixel intensity values. Then after it completed this two, then we have to move the auto encoding. Auto encoding reduce the dimensionality of the pre-processed image. In this step, we have to use encoder and decoded. After it performs, we have to load the caffe model. The caffe means with the help of caffe, we have to convert the black and white images to colorized images. So image colorization, in this step we have to convert black and white images to colored, and then we have to remove any scratches from the input image. Now we are going to see our output demo. Just we have to run our process. It is on running. After running our process, I will explain our output part. Now here is the running. Yeah, this is the output for auto encoding. That is, this is the layer type, and this is the output shape for each layer. The layer type 1 convolutional 2D 1 to convolutional 2D 9. Then the next layer is upsampling layer. So these are the types of layers, and display the corresponding layers output shape. still the process is on running. Yeah, this is the encoding and decoding process. Here I give 5 approaches in my process. That's why it will running trained on 5 approaches. And loading models, that is a caffe model is loading, and then we have to choose one input data. Is there any one? I have pick this one and open. Yeah, this is the original image and this is the colorized image. I hope you will see I hope you will see the difference. So this is original image, then this is the colorized image. Yeah, our output will be this. Yeah, the original image, then you have to resize that original image. Then this is the removing of noise, and after removing the noise, this is our process. This is variable explorer, means we have used variables in our process. That variable will be displayed in this part. This is file explorer for our corresponding directory. This is the image restoration. Thank you.